Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to book ServiceNow certification in your portal. Okay. So how to book ServiceNow certification, right? So basically for ServiceNow, will be conducted in webassessor portal. So we have to go there and we have to create an account then and there itself. So this is the link which you have to go there. After coming here, it is showing here, right? One second, I'll place it here. Yeah. Now this is the login username and this is the password where you have to give your username and password. And if you don't have an account here, you can click here, create an web accessory account login. Click there and give your details. So this is my email ID. So password, please use 8 characters and these conditions, like you have to use one lowercase, one uppercase, and one character and one digital string, one digit, so one special character. That is how. Re-enter the password. So here you have to enter your full name. So this is my name, or else you can split it and you can give your first name here and last name here. It's completely your wish. So I'll give like this. I'm from South India, right? So I'll give it like this. So email address, actually this is the this is not email address where you have to give only the username here. This is the username, and here you have to give email address of your, like for which email account you want to through which email account you want to create an account. So that's how you have to give it here. This is completely for ServiceNow certification, like how it will be like. This ServiceNow certification, it is required, like for you there are some mandatory things required, pre-requirement to give you a certification. So I'll tell you what are those requirements. So this is my mobile number and this is my address and state Andhra Pradesh, and you have to give your own address. That's fine. Yes, and I'll click save here. No thanks. So I have given my details here. So I'll click here again. Then I'll try to log in with the username which I have given in the first line and the password which I have given while creating an account. I'll click login here. So I'll get a page like this. So after this is the ServiceNow portal, web access ServiceNow portal. So after this, I have to register for examination. So I'll click register for exam. So under this, which certification you require based upon your requirement, you can select. So if you want CSA, if you want CAD, if you want APM, or so if you want cloud provisioning and governance, event management, field service management, hardware asset management, risk and compliance, GRC. This is very tough. Everyone knows that. So basically all of these certifications require external webcam. Okay. If you click here, there are two options for you. One is on-site. On-site proctoring refers to, like you have to go to the nearby center and you have to attend from there. It is very strictly proctoring, so please be aware of these things. And like nowadays no one want to travel a lot, right? So everyone want to set up their system in their home itself. So everyone want to give their exam, like major of the members want to give their exams from their home itself. So this is online proctoring. Online proctoring in the sense you can give your exam from your home. Okay, you can click on buy now. After clicking here, select the date which you want to give the exam. Let us suppose if I want to give exam tomorrow, and select the date and time which is comfortable to you. So after selecting the date and time, by the way, I would like to tell you one more thing. If you require any help in your exam or any ServiceNow exam or any certification helping or vouchers or any bookings, if you require help in that, come to me. There will be some discounts in exam bookings and helping and dumps, proxy, and a lot of things. So click on select here. After selecting the date and time, click on the select there and check the exam name, CSA ServiceNow, and check the time, date, and the price, $300, extra 54 for taxes as per Indian norms. And the voucher code, if you are an employee, your employer will provide you a voucher code. Okay. So if not, you have to return to home and you have to buy this much of amount, $354 you have to pay from your pocket. Okay. If you have voucher, apply the voucher here. There are something like this. This is not the exact one. There is something like that. So after this, click on apply here and you can complete the order. Basically, the voucher code is only valid for those who completed the separate courses which are provided by ServiceNow. So you have to complete a course in ServiceNow for sure. So then only they'll provide you the voucher. So you have to apply this, give it here and apply, and then you can click on submit order. Then the order is getting submitted. After that, you can come to my assessments, and if you can see here, you can able to see the the exam. You can able to see the exam here. So after that, it is the page, right? You can able to see this pop-up. This is from August 1st. An update had been came. So click install here. If you click install here, it will get downloaded lockdown browser. This is the browser where you have to give your exam. ServiceNow exam is going to be conducted there. So after getting downloaded, double click and open it. So after that, this is the setup which you need to do before the examination. If you double click and open, so installation will work now. We are installing the lockdown browser in your system. Basically, the requirement for giving the examination will be an empty room where no one will be allowed, a government ID proof original, it should be carried in your hand, and a room with good lighting without any disturbances, and an external webcam. External webcam is mandatory for ServiceNow. If you don't have an external webcam, then your examination is not going to be continued, going to forward further. They will reschedule your exam, or they might be canceling your exam. That is the reason. Please maintain external webcam, and Windows 10 or 11 laptop, it should work fine. Probably Windows 10 will work. Windows 10 or 11, that's completely fine. That doesn't matter. And a good room with good lighting and good network as well. Okay, these are all the pre-requirement things. And if you have this, you can install this lockdown browser, and you can double click there and open it and complete the installation. That's it. After completing that, you can attend your exam. They're in enroll in biometrics, right? After booking exam, you have to complete this as well, because it will take your picture. You can it will save it in the ServiceNow portal. After that, when you're giving your exam, it will cross verify whether the picture which you have given here and the picture which you have while writing the exam, it will verify and cross check whether you are a genuine candidate or not. That is how it will work. After that, examination will shown here. The launch button will appear here. Click the launcher button here and start your exam and continue your exam. If you have any doubts regarding how to book exam, how to rate exam, what was the criteria, it will be somewhere around 1.5 hours. Not 1.5 hours, 2 hours, I guess. And 65 questions are based upon the exam. If at all, if it is CSA, CAD, ITSM, it will be 65 questions are there, and 2 hours minimum. This is the pattern for ServiceNow examination. And enrolling biometrics, and you will get to know everything, right? You can enroll biometrics here, and you can, after a certain time, before 10 minutes of your booking appointment time, the launch button will appear here. So click on here and start your examination. That's how it will work. So don't do any don't use your mobile phone, and you should not use your mobile phone, and the camera angle will be shown before 1 minute. When you're in exam process, it will show you how you have to keep your camera angle and everything, etc, etc. And once again, I'm saying you that if you require any help, if you require any dumps, any real-time questions, anything related to ServiceNow, whatever, Oracle, Google Cloud, any IT certification, if you require any help, just contact me, the number which I will provide you in the description below. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your cooperation and the subscribers who are subscribing me within short time span. Thanks. Bye.